These are the two collections I will be showcasing in this video. They are the modelones Bubble Bath Nail Polish Collection. You get 6 nail polishes, and the other collection is Graceful Charm. These nail polish collections are available on Amazon and for a Prime Day deal. So I will link everything down in the description box down below and in the pinned comment. With the help of my friendly neighborhood's lab, why don't we swatch the colors first so I can pick one to paint on my nails. First up, why don't we take a look at the Bubble Bath collection. It is a set of natural / nude polishes. They have numbers, they don't have names. This one is a tan shimmer, so basically it's a tan base with a white shimmer running throughout it, and it looks beautiful in 2 coats. You can also apply this over any color to sort of kind of fake that chrome look that they do for donut glazed nails. The next one is a warm tone pinky brown cream. This is a yellow tan cream. These applied very nicely to the nail. They have a round brush, so it's easier to get around the cuticle. This is a skin tone peachy cream. This next color is a light pink with a white shimmer. This is a lighter brown cream. Now let's take a look at the Graceful Charm nail polish collection. This is a rich, warm tone, kind of dusty purple. This color is like a peachy, dusty cream. This is a very light pinky skin tone cream. Between these two collections, you gotta probably find one that's gonna go with your skin tone because there's a lot of different nudes here. Off-white, slightly yellow cream, but in different lighting, I am not kidding you, I feel like it looks like a light green. This is a very sandy-like cream color. You're probably not gonna like this shade if you like Anakin and hate Sam. The last color for this collection is this slightly dustier sand-like cream. These are the 2 shades that I picked. I really like this brown. It's such a beautiful cream. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply this shimmer over it to make like a little light chocolate glazed donut look. It is important when you're applying nudes / natural polishes is to do less brush strokes as possible, because even though they don't look like they have a lot of color or pigment in them, they actually have a lot of pigment in them and they can look very streaky very easily. So try not over stroke the brush. Try to do 3 to 4 brush strokes a nail, but of course it depends on how long your nail is. So just try to do less brush strokes when you're applying these kind of shades. After I've applied 2 coats of that wonderful color and let it fully dry, for me it took about 5 minutes between each coat, but it kind of depends on where you live. Nail polish takes a little longer to dry if the air is more humid, and I'm gonna apply that beautiful shimmer. And if you just don't have that white chrome powder, you can have a little fill in with just a little white shimmer. Just applying 1 coat over any nail polish, it's just gonna give it that nice shimmery effect. In particular, I really like how this polish looks. It's very pretty. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a top coat, seal my nail polish in. It is very important because if you want your manicure to last longer, it's a protective layer. And also I suggest using a quick dry top coat to make sure your nails dry faster and there's less chance of them getting smudged. Here's my manicure. I love how my nails turned out. Very beautiful and can go with any outfit.